Hey everyone, want to use Firebase for real-time data or user authentication with your Webflow site? Then let's connect them in a few easy steps. The first thing you want to do is to set up Firebase. Go to Firebase Console and create a project. Set up your real-time database or Firestore. In Webflow, go to Project Settings. Click on Custom Code and add the Firebase SDK scripts in the head code section. Include the Firebase initialization code with your project's credentials. Use custom JavaScript in Webflow to fetch or store data in Firebase, depending on your use case. All right, publish your site and test the Firebase functionality. That's it. You've connected Firebase to Webflow. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.